General Vasquez is attending a meeting today in an old refinery facility on the Isle Trineo coast.
Mother 2, this is Alpha 9. We have reached the ruins. Can't see any enemy personnel from here. Proceeding.
Razor 6-4, this is Alpha 9. Do you copy?
Alpha 9, this is Razor 6-4. Reading you loud and clear. Over.
I got a visual on heavy hostile activity on your path up ahead. We'll need to work together. Don't advance without the green light from me. Stay low and move with caution. Go. Hold. See those guards up there? Take the one on the left. I'll take the one on the right. Fire on 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice kill. Proceed. Let them have it, but try and keep it quiet. See no evil, hear no evil. Nice. Enemy incoming. Hide in these bushes.
¡Necesitamos más tropas!
Follow the plan as we intended. The ore is very valuable. Not something that's easy to come by, especially not the type we're talking about. My organization has the money and power to become a great partner for your company. Please, help yourself to a drink.
We've located the target and have a visual. Window on the left. Heavily limited view of target background. Waiting for...
On the tower.
Razor 6-4, come in. I have new intel. You might not have to break through the camp after all. The transport will be leaving the